For more than 100 years, deep-level ploughing, synthetic fertilizers and toxic pesticides have opposed nature's way of regenerating itself via the natural return of humus to the soil. In Africa, continuous slash and burn by subsistence farmers, over-tillage, inefficient irrigation and soil erosion have undermined the ability of rural people to sustain themselves off the land. In the 6 years that Kanshansi mine has been operational, First Quantum Minerals has seen thousands of rural Zambians drifting towards Solwezi town, a sprawling settlement of over 400,000 people, in the hope of a better life. Existing subsistence farmers produce inadequate yields due to poor farming techniques, which result in a lack of nutrients in the soil. Imported food is expensive and unemployment is high. Most local farmers resort to charcoal production with the deforestation of an estimated 4,000 indigenous trees per month. Conservation farming is part of a solution. The brainchild of ex-Zimbabwean farmer Brian Oldreeve, conservation farming has the potential to revolutionize small-scale African agriculture with far-reaching benefits for rural communities and the environment. It's based on the ideology of minimal soil disturbance while using correct crop rotations and crop residues to increase the natural humus layer of the soil over time. Nitrogen-fixing trees planted 10 meters apart increase organic soil fertility, and no capital investment is required as all work is done by hand with a simple hoe. Conservation farming is being successfully implemented by small-scale farmers in 45 countries worldwide, using simple scientific principles to enhance soil fertility and structure by natural means. The challenge for FQM was to initiate and promote this practice in communities around mines. Gaining acceptance meant proving the effectiveness of conservation farming over traditional slash and burn methods. Workers were chosen from villages around the mines to till the fields on 7 trial plots under close supervision. Yields averaged 250% higher and were sometimes 500% higher than traditional plantings. Field days and TV shows created huge awareness and free information pamphlets were distributed. The proof was visible to all, and FQM was literally flooded with thousands of aspirant farmers applying to join the program. 250 farmers were accepted in the first year, each working a 1-hectare plot of farmland divided into 4 areas for crop rotation. Extension officers, translators, and ex-commercial farmers with a passion for CF oversee the project, while local foremen are paid a salary and provided with a bicycle. Up to $300 may be loaned from the company and paid back in harvested crops. Defaulters are excluded from the scheme, while successful farmers will be assisted with diversification into viable cash crops and livestock. The fact that there were no defaulters in the first year is testament to the success of the project.
For the successful initiation of conservation farming in rural Zambia, First Quantum Minerals Kansanshi Mine is a runner-up in the Nedbank Capital Green Mining Awards socio-economic category.